Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use alerts and reminders in Smartsheet. Now, let's dive right in and talk about why using alerts and reminders in Smartsheet can be a game changer for your productivity. In our fast-paced world, keeping track of deadlines and tasks is crucial. Imagine having a tool that not only helps you organize your projects, but also nudges you at the right time, ensuring that you never miss an important milestone again. That's precisely what Smartsheet's alerts and reminders can do for you. They notify you when tasks or milestones are approaching or overdue, allowing you to take timely action and keep your projects on track. This way, you can prioritize what's most important, focusing your energy on urgent tasks and ensuring they are completed on schedule. To get started, the first step is logging into Smartsheet. If you are new to Smartsheet, you have the convenience of using various accounts to log in. You can use your Google account, your Microsoft account, or even your Apple account. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be good to go. Once you're logged in, triggering alerts and reminders is straightforward. Simply navigate to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on Create New. From there, click on Create Sheet. Give it a moment to load up, and once it's ready, you can start inputting your data. Now to set up alerts and reminders, head over to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Automation. You'll see a plus button, and by clicking it, you'll open up a world of automation possibilities. You can set an alert to notify someone when specific criteria are met. For example, you can remind a team member about a task on a specific date, or even move a row to another sheet when certain conditions are satisfied. Let's break this down further. Suppose you want to alert someone when specific criteria are met. Click on the alert option, and you'll see it's a great way to use this feature. It's designed to be intuitive, so you won't feel lost as you navigate through the setup process. Click on Use Template to proceed, and you'll find options to rename your workflow template. You can trigger alerts based on different events such as when a date is reached, when rows are added, or when rows are changed. Moreover, you can specify the timing of your triggered workflow. Do you want it to run hourly, daily, or weekly? The choice is yours, allowing for a customized approach. You can also add conditions. For example, you can select a field and alert specific people. You can customize the message, add a subject line, and tailor it to your needs. For instance, if you want to send alerts to your boss, a client, or a specific teammate, you can do so with ease. Just ensure to add the necessary email addresses and any other details. Once everything is set, simply click Save. Using alerts and reminders in Smartsheet not only helps you manage deadlines, but also improves communication and project management. It ensures that you're always on top of your tasks, leading to enhanced productivity and efficiency. Hopefully this guide helped you easily learn how to use alerts and reminders in Smartsheet. If you want more videos like how to use alerts and reminders in Smartsheet, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.